Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lexi with Grow with Lexi, and I am super passionate about combining AI and side hustles so that we can make money with thinking a little less. And today I want to talk to you about being an Amazon influencer because there's something that no one else is talking about, and I'm kind of surprised because when I started doing this as an Amazon influencer, I 1,000% increased my revenue as an Amazon influencer, and it wasn't creating videos. So just to get started, as an Amazon influencer, you have to sign up as an Amazon influencer. You have to be approved for on-site commissions. And then what you're going to do next is what's going to change the game for you. If what I have said to you so far is not making 100% sense, you are uncertain of how to get approved as an on-site, if you are unsure of how to sign up to be an Amazon influencer, or you've tried and you failed, or you don't know what on-site commissions are, or anything like that, I'm going to go ahead and put a link below where you can register and get my exact strategy on how to do that to fast track your success. Because at the end of the day, Q4 is here, right? So at the time of filming this video, we are just starting Q4, which means it's the busiest time of the year over the next 3 months, and people are going to be spending the most amount of money over these next 3 months, whether we like it or not, right? So why not capitalize this? And the purpose of on-site commissions is so that we can grow our income without growing a following, right? Amazon will push our content out for us because we are creating the content for them. But like I said, this strategy as an Amazon influencer does not require you to take a photo or record a video, which for a lot of us is a game changer, and you can actually do it from your phone. So what I'm talking about is creating an idea list. So as an Amazon influencer, you have your back office, and when you're in your storefront, you have the option to create a video photo, an idea list, and then there's a couple other options, right? So you're going to select idea list, and it's going to take you to this screen right here, right? And then from there, you're going to do very simple things. You're going to create a title, you are going to create a description, and then you're going to add products. But these products have to make sense. They have to have a purpose, right? So what do I mean by that? Don't just put a title, gifts for her, and then add 100 random things to the list. That's not what Amazon wants to see. They want to see that their list has a purpose. For example, how to create the perfect steak at home, right? And maybe there's 5 to 7 items. I don't ever do more than 5 to 7 items as to what tools they need, what resources they need that they can buy from Amazon to create that perfect steak at home, right? Very simply put. Now, I have spent years developing this strategy, and over the last 6 months, it has really started to work because I figured out exactly what Amazon is looking for. If you want that exact strategy, I'm going to go ahead and link my membership below. I want you to sign up and get involved right now. If you're just looking for more tips and tricks on how to get and make more money throughout the next year, 2 years, whatever, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's your way to just support my channel. It's free to you, and it just tells me what type of content you guys want to see more of. So I hope this video was short and sweet. I try to keep my videos like that. And if you are looking for any specific type of content that you want me to create, please put that in the comments below, and I will be back to you next week.